Hey dolls, so today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this super cute and flirty girly look that I had so much fun wearing. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, make sure you keep on watching. So on to the details on this hair. Thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video. I will be wearing their 13x4 lace frontal jerry curly highlighted unit, and this is in 180% density. And this is how the unit looks straight out of the package. And I have to say that I was super excited to review this unit because I've been reviewing a lot of curly hair lately. If you guys look at my catalog, you will see, but this was different. I love when companies send me things that I'm not typically wearing on my channel, because I like to switch it up and it gets boring doing the same style and color over time. So this was also a frontal, and I was just taking advantage of all the specs on this hair, this color, the frontal, everything. So I finally tried the style that I wanted to do. Now in that last clip, you saw the basic construction of the unit, and this is how the frontal looks. It was pretty pre-plucked, but I wanted to go ahead and pluck it a little bit more. And they only bleached the middle part of the knot, so I had to go and bleach those knots and then pluck it to my liking. So we're gonna do that in the next clip. So this is once I bleached the knots. This is the side that is not plucked. I went ahead and hot combed those roots, and then I just went in and plucked it to my liking. I didn't want to pluck it too much because I didn't plan on doing dramatic baby hairs or anything, just enough for me to have it look like a natural hairline, because I was doing a pulled back look. Y'all, my hair was so tired. I was well overdue for a new braid down, and I was just happy that I did not have to wear my leave out or these edges out. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little ball cap method, spray that down with some Got2b spray, nothing major. And then we're gonna apply some of our powder similar to the color of my complexion, and just create our little ball cap method. No type of professional. Y'all saw how quick that was, quick, straight to the point. So once I cut that, I'm going to go ahead and install my unit. But I literally cannot express how excited I was to finally get something different to review, y'all. It's different, like getting a wig and it's highlighted and it's probably brassy orange, you know, that crazy yellow color. And they literally tone these highlights. Like, it was just that perfect toned ashy blonde that you have to put in work to do if you was doing this yourself. Like, you can't just get this from highlighting your hair. So that's what I really enjoyed about this wig, on top of it being just the perfect length, perfect density, and completing the style that I wanted to achieve. But this is how the wig looks with no glue or anything, and this is how it looks with one side of the lace cut and the other not. And now that I'm looking at it while editing, I'm like, I could have did this glueless, like just elastic band, but I wanted to do something different. But look at this blend. Like, okay, ball cap method, I kind of like did that. But I took it off my head and I razor cut the rest of the lace off, and I did it in kind of zigzag motions so that line of demarcation was not going straight across my forehead and looking unnatural. But this looks really good, so I was really getting excited to install. And I literally feel like I've been talking this whole time and y'all haven't heard any music. So quickly, I'm just spraying my Even spray, Eben, I'm not sure how you really pronounce it. I'm gonna do 2 layers. I'm going to dry that and then pull that lace forward and secure it before I get into my baby hairs. And it melted so good. Like, I was thoroughly pleased. But I'm gonna be quiet for a couple of minutes because my throat hurt. And I want y'all to vibe out to the music. So everything should be like pretty explanatory till I get towards the end.
Georgia back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change all my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it like that. I love it when you move like that. Now turn around and go get back. Get back, get back. No, 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 no.
So as for styling the unit, it was really easy. As you guys can see, I used my Lotta Body foaming mousse. Oh, I didn't talk in those previous couple of minutes, but I went ahead and secured that ponytail again with a scrunchie, not rubber bands, so it could be a little more secure. And this is how the hair looks while it's wet, and I let it air dry for about 3 to 4 hours. So this is later during the day. And when I removed this band, y'all, the line went away, but it was like a little crease from the elastic band setting on that lace, but it went away. Don't worry, I fixed it. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video. Very easy, beginner friendly. That's the type of vibe that we do on this channel. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the description box below. As always, I'll have some coupon codes for you guys, all of the links to this hair, other hair products, other things that Nadula has on their site. But I really want to thank you guys so much for watching if you got this far, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Nadula.